On another patient, we would also like to show you the third possible method of treatment. That would be bioresonance therapy. Let's open the medical conclusion for this patient to see what is going on. The main problem of this patient is the digestion adaptation, so there is some inflammation going on in the digestive system. Bioresonance treatment will help us to force toxins out of the affected organs and systems. There are two levels of bioresonance therapy. One is deep bioresonance, and the other is what we call morotherapy. That is more on the level of the tissue and not of the level of the cells. To do both of those, we press the live stream button. Here we expand the list. We clear all by pressing the right mouse button. In this example, we will only select one organ for treatment. In your practice, you can select more. It will take a bit more time, but usually we select up to 5. The whole course of treatment will take 10 active days. In this case, we select duodenum wall tissue. We always try to select organs on the level of the tissue so the signal will go deeper. First, we have to identify a focus area by pressing the Create Focus button. We select the worst marker, we press and hold left mouse button. We make a circle around it, we press Rate, we select the color, in this case it was blue, is the marker. We close it, and now we can press a triangle and select all focus or focus of the current organ. As we have only one selected, there will be no difference. So now the device pinpoints the location of the focused area we have selected. Next we do BRT, current organ, or all organs. Now we will do 5 BRTs. This is deep bioresonance treatment. We can do a maximum of 10, but after 5 we will try to calculate the results. And if the results will be already better than before treatment, then we stop. If they would indicate a worsening of the situation, we will continue until it gets better. Now we have made a total of 5 BRTs. You see, every one of those is recorded. We select the latest BRT and we press the E button to calculate the results. You see, some of the markers are becoming worse. That is because we are forcing toxins out of the cells. It is to be expected. Now we have to compare the results, the coefficients. We go to the original slice and we go to the data analysis. Here the lowest coefficient of 5, 6 and 15, so both diseases and microorganisms, was 0,166 and it was gastroenteritis. Let us check what will be the coefficient, the lowest one, after treatment. After treatment, it is still gastroenteritis, but the coefficient has increased. Now it is 0,174. The lower the coefficient, the worse the situation. So basically, we have already helped the patient enough. So 5 BRTs was good. We select the latest BRT and will now we stop the BRTs for this zone. Let us do morotherapy on the whole pancreas duodenal area. For this we have to test it first. The difference of morotherapy and bioresonance therapy is that bioresonance goes deep and to a focused area. Morotherapy usually goes more wide than deep. To activate it, we use this function, green, forecast of reserves, to activate morotherapy. We try to select the worst markers to put the crosshair on the worst markers, in this case blue in the center, and we press rate. Already by pressing rate, we activate morotherapy. It will help us not only to remove toxins out of the cells, as bioresonance therapy did, but to get them out of the organ entirely. We can also do a maximum of 10 morotherapies per organ per day. We try to do it until the worst markers disappear, so the black and the blue. Red are also not good, so red ideally also should go. We can also check the result on the comparisons analysis. We will now show you how it is done. Let us now see it. We press the comparison of results button. We press the filter button. We select the test of today on the pancreas duodenal area. And we see how situation changed during Gamora therapy. Total, we see an increase of compensatory reactions of up to 47%, which is quite good. But again, we should mention that it will not happen in one day. A whole course of treatment is necessary to receive good results. The course of treatment takes 10 days in total. The first 3 days are done every day. Then you make a pause of 1 day treatment and then again pause 1 day. So in total it will take around 2 weeks. So we did both BRT and morotherapy, and now we're finished with this part.